How to fix Crunchyroll login problem on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if you're experiencing any kind of login problem, like you're using the right email and the password and you are unable to log into your account, or you're getting different errors, whatever the problem is, here in this video I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So without further any delay, let's get started with the video, guys. Let's not fix the problem. The very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Under this point, you just need to search for Crunchyroll. Go ahead and tap on this one and tap on Offload app, tap Offload app, and lastly just go and tap on reinstall app, and this will actually reinstall the Crunchyroll application on your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely a problem is going to be solved. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then here's the final process to fix the problem. Simply go and press and hold the Crunchyroll application and tap on remove and tap on delete in order to delete the application completely from your iPhone and reinstall it from the App Store. And once it's reinstalled, try log into your account again and most likely a problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then try resetting your password and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.